Broadpeak Advanced CDN, a future-proof, open, dynamic, and elastic architecture. Two revolutions in television threaten to shatter video distribution. First, broadcast is now entirely transitioning to one-to-one streaming, progressively causing an unprecedented load on networks. Second, content owners are now directly distributing their own content without going through a network service provider aggregation platform, which accelerates the phenomenon. Network capacity cannot grow at such a pace, leading to more frequent congestion and a general degradation in service quality of experience. The situation that is unfolding creates two essential questions for the near future. How can we maintain a high quality of experience for video services? How can we simultaneously control the rise in network costs? Content delivery networks, or CDNs, must adapt to this new context and reinvent themselves. A static approach where a CDN is installed and configured once for all is no longer sufficient. CDNs now need to auto-adapt to the streaming context. In particular, there is a need to dynamically deploy new caches where they are most needed at a given moment, to use advanced streaming functions at the level of each individual client, and to enable third-party streaming services to benefit from these optimizations. To respond to these new demands, Broadpeak has overseen a major architectural evolution of its CDN, which uniquely integrates three vital components for the future of video distribution: openness, dynamicity, and elasticity. Broadpeak Advanced CDN integrates APIs, including SVA open caching, so that third-party content has direct access to the operator's network. Thanks to its native multi-tenant approach, the CDN can manage and monitor each content provider independently, ensuring that their traffic doesn't interfere with its own. Automatic adaptation starts with extensive analytics gathered from all points of the network, down to the player level. The data are correlated in an analytics server and can be compared through a powerful A/B testing tool. Dynamicity is needed to drive real-time distribution optimizations on a user basis. Dynamic commands on the CDN go through a centralized steering center where automation rules can be configured, managed, and tracked. These principles also apply to Broadpeak's advanced concepts, such as our multi-award-winning server-side stream selection control and multicast ABR technologies. All CDN elements can be deployed as orchestrated containers and seamlessly be added or redimensioned depending on the streaming context. CDNs are deployed at the POP level or at the edge for better granularity and deep caching. Edge deployments comply with the 3GPP multi-access edge computing standard and 5G. Beyond the elements of these three aspects individually, Broadpeak has developed a full stack to allow the combination and interactions between them. For example, CDN entities can freely be redeployed, and ongoing sessions with all their specific characteristics will seamlessly flow without affecting the end-user experience. The open, dynamic, and elastic architecture opens the way for a new and mutually beneficial relationship between network service providers and content owners. For network service providers, the solution optimizes their infrastructure investments and improves the quality and control of their video distribution, even for third-party video content. The open, dynamic, and elastic architecture enables content providers to guarantee an optimum level of quality of experience, reduce their delivery costs, and offer good streaming conditions to more users, therefore increasing the eligibility of their service.